everyone, welcome back to Sam's Diecast, your in for unboxings, reviews, and collecting of diecast cars, and today we have a 2021 Hot Wheels today to unbox. This is the 2017 Lamborghini Urus in white, and I scored this at a Target like a couple months ago, and I get to open it right now. Factory fresh, number 4 out of 10, and there's also a blue one. I have myself here the blue version, which was the first color for 2021. In 2020, they had a Hot Wheels Exotics version of it, and previously they had a casting just called the Lamborghini Urus, no 2017 on there. So this is the newest casting of the Lamborghini Urus. 64 out of 250. This is a recolor though, so it's slightly newer on USA card. GTB 95 is the number from G-Case. Pretty old case. For now, 2017 Lamborghini Urus Factory Fresh is highly detailed, cutting-edge designs. Just get in the driver's seat and prepare to turn heads. Copyright's 2020. Let's get that out of the packaging. Nice clean open, well, decently clean open. Kind of ripped in the center, but that's okay. Nice spinning front wheels, the rear wheels kind of wobble, but the front ones spin independently, which I absolutely love. Let's check out the other ones. Same deal. Beautiful. There's a side-by-side for you guys. Let's take a closer look at the white one. Trap 5 wheels, trapezoid 5 spoke wheels in chrome for the wheel type on this casting. Beautiful, with mirrors as well. There's the nice profile view for you guys. There's the front, painted headlights and painted Lamborghini logo right there. You can see right there, that's the Lamborghini logo and the painted grille. Sweet. And let's take a look at the other side. Very cool casting. There's your look. Cool. Love my Lamborghinis. There's the back. It says Urus right there. And Lamborghini right there with the painted tail lights. Top has no sunroof. Interesting for a Lamborghini. 4-door. This is the only SUV Lamborghini has produced, I believe. There's the plastic base. It says it has a Trackstar symbol. That is interesting. Oh, and another thing I just realized. Take a look at these bases. This is the white one. It has a Trackstar symbol. But the blue one, it doesn't have a Trackstar symbol. 2017 Lamborghini Urus. Made in Malaysia. And a special thanks to everyone that tuned in. If you tuned in, you're probably like 1 in a million. I mean, technically, yes, right? And let me know in the comments section, which one do you like more? The white one or the blue one? Kinda hard for me to decide. I'll have to eat some spaghetti over this one. Goodbye.